Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of white noise in Audacity. If you're creating an online radio show, podcast, radio imaging, or simply want to make your voice sound different, you must get hold of my Audacity presets. Head over to mrc.fm/presets. Go and get them now at mrc.fm/presets.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Okay, white noise, what is it? Well, it's any kind of background noise that you don't want to be there. So white noise could be generated by a fan, by the sound of a street nearby, anything like that. It's generally sort of white noise, background noise, that kind of thing. Something like this. Now, if you've got headphones on, you can hear it. You can definitely see on the level meter, it's going up to about minus 36 dB. And there is our speaker.
Yeah.
But that white noise is really competing with the speech. Now, to get rid of it, it's very simple. Select the noise only, go to Effect, Noise Reduction, get the noise profile. This will get the exact profile of the noise you're trying to remove. Then select everything, Effect, Noise Reduction. Let's preview this on default. It's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Click OK. All the white noise gone. Speech still here.
Yeah.
And then when we play back this audio here, nothing on the level meters. White noise eliminated using the noise reduction effect. It's a really easy thing to apply in Audacity. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Check out my Audacity Ultimate course for beginners. If you are a podcaster, YouTuber, voiceover artist, or audio editor, you need this course. Head over to mrc.fm/Audacity. That is mrc.fm/Audacity.
Thumbs up, subscribe for more. musicradiocreative.com